In a world increasingly reliant on technology, the concept of relationships is being revolutionized by the arrival of AI companions. Imagine having a partner who is always available, understanding, and tailor-made to your exact preferences. This is the promise of AI girlfriends and virtual boyfriends, such as those created by applications like Replica, EVA AI, and Kajuoto. These platforms allow users to develop digital partners who can chat, learn, and even simulate dating experiences. AI partners are available 24/7, adapting to user preferences and offering a level of customization that real-world counterparts may struggle to match. They never tire, never bore, and are always ready to engage with their human users, providing a sense of companionship that some claim has helped them through bouts of loneliness and depression. The appeal is clear: a judgment-free environment where one can find emotional support and companionship at any time, tailored to specific desires without hassles. However, this technological marvel raises profound questions about the future of human relationships. The explosive growth in AI companionship has sparked a debate over its potential impact on genuine human connections. As more become enamored with these virtual relationships, concerns arise over the possibility of people developing emotional dependence on AI, often at the cost of neglecting real-life interactions. Critics argue that despite their sophisticated programming, AI cannot genuinely understand human emotions, inevitably leading to an unequal relationship dynamic and a possible over-reliance on artificial interactions. Moreover, privacy issues loom large, as the intimate conversations shared with digital companions are stored and analyzed, potentially exposing sensitive personal information to breaches. As the technology advances, speculative futures loom. Holographic AI companions that will feel real, AI connected directly to the brain for an emotional interface, and the continued debate on whether society will favor AI over human love. The evolution of AI relationships prompts us to question if this is a remedy for loneliness or a dangerous path isolating us further. The situation invites civil discourse on whether these digital entities will become an accepted norm or remain a socio-technical curiosity. As you ponder these questions, consider what these changes mean for the future of human connections and whether the AI companionship is merely an illusion of relationship or a substantial advancement in how humans interact with technology.